least 15 years plus in it. Got a bunch of accolades here, of course, won multiple tournaments, kickboxing, Muay Thai, and Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu background, so guy's got it all. Black belt. And this guy I'm very familiar with. I actually wrestled him on Friday. Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu, Muay Thai experience. My God, the guy kicks so unbelievably hard.
You can speak to that.
Yes, I have chop marks on my neck. Actually, we went at it pretty hard. 4-year Armada, this guy, all day long. Billy Robinson, Carl Garch are his Bible. His exact words to me. Tough as nails. That being said, both of these guys did mixed martial arts. They have records in both. One newer to wrestling than the other.
Strikes to the head will be allowed.
Oh. These two strikers, you're gonna allow that?
Closed fist will be allowed. Elbows will be allowed. Kicks will be allowed.
Oh boy. Well, I thought we were going to have ourselves a nice little grapple match.
Kicks while the opponent is down will be allowed.
There you go. All right then.
Oh boy. I think the intensity here is palpable.
Out of everything on this card, this is the most like a rings match. How much I know that? Oh, okay. Both of these guys great at grappling, but I actually think you're going to see the strikes. Oh, maybe I spoke too soon.
Jesse James' grapple game is well spoken of around the sectors.
Yes, that is the black belt is in Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu. Chris, he has multiple years experience. Did not tell me about belt, but the belt that he does have is purple.
Purple.
Do not give him your name. Do not give him. Don't give him yourself. That's it. Oh, Chris
has the hand control.
Chris will not tap here.
He's got just enough room in there. Has to control the wrist as well. Oh, watch the foot here. That's high level.
There's no pinfall here, but that was
my God. Coming around. If he can pull that arm out, he's got an arm bar from the bottom. Not giving it up yet. But now in a bad position. That's just gonna piss him off.
Uh-oh. Turn over.
Yep.
Okay. A little from the two mixed martial arts, a little wrestling there.
Oh, this is dangerous.
We're about to have Chris on our laps.
Shot of respect. Room. Reach out for him.
We can talk about a lot of the backgrounds and everything, but here's the things you just gotta put out there. The reach on Chris compared to Jesse, that is going to be a factor. These things,
and we almost lost production. You were inches and seconds away from
at the bell on the waist, gut shot. Was that below the waist? Chris is almost above.
Either way,
it's all above.
We got 30 seconds here. Chris is ready to go, though. You can see fire in the eyes.
Chris was really driving those knees in there, and I think, like I said, Chris has this reach on Jesse, and he's still opting for the clutch and the knees. I'm a little shocked at that. though I don't think he wants to throw those bombs just yet. Maybe I spoke too soon for Jesse, though, throwing bombs.
Jesse's going for it. He's letting it fly.
There it is, leg kick. No. He's got his back. Oh, wow.
And there it is. There's going to be some stuff I have never seen before, Dimitri.
That's a little bit of a few things here. Oh, okay.
Open palm strikes there.
Chris could transition this into a scarf hold if he really wanted to. Famously made by Josh Barnett these days, you'd say.
Chris is in good control here with this. We saw in the middle of the mat, I mean, there's no rope breaks, right?
No rope breaks whatsoever.
But being in a dominant position in the center helps you get that tempo.
Going for the armbar, going for the armbar.
In the CJC.
Yes.
Oh, very interesting. You see, he had the pressure on the elbow, he let go, and then regained it after the foot.
Yes.
Very nice.
He's trying to transition into a triangle with it, you know? And, we're getting full triangle here in about a second if he doesn't watch out.
You see how important wrist control is in this style.
I will say, Jesse powerball right in the damn center of the ring. But Chris can't capitalize. That left arm,
And you can see the elbow almost swelling.
you can. And Jesse, if you noticed, some self-control there had him in the triangle. Did not do the small joint manipulation like he could have.
You almost saw it. I thought he was going to go for it. Actually. But yeah, he had the wherewithal. And I don't know if this is where Jesse wants to be, right? You know, 2 times right at the bell. 2 times Jesse has gotten a strike in that was borderline.
I would say borderline.
That was close to the shot to the throat.
Chris is really favoring that left arm.
It just has pieced it apart here so far.
I know, Chris probably really wanted to be a tough guy there, powerballing, but like at the same time, at what cost was that, man? Jesse over here chopping the ring post like he's getting cut last year from Noah. Okay. I love the pro wrestling that's leading into these two MMA fighters.
Good for the roll, right?
Immediately goes for it.
Had the wherewithal to grab the other leg, though. He stepped up. He didn't catch the first thing we went for.
Trips him down here.
Yeah,
He's about to get a leg bar.
Chris fighting through both that elbow and now that the elbow is the point of emphasis, it just seems the legs is
Notice how Jesse is not giving him that opportunity to grab the left leg and then reverse also the heel hook of his own. He's doing well defense right there. And he's going back into that. There it is. Knee bar coming in. Chris has got to get something.
straight knee bar.
That is a straight knee bar. Chris, you're going to...
You see the pressure. He may break his damn leg, man.
As you see, both these guys come from a mixed martial arts background. They're not used to this 2 falls to the finish. I think they are seeing anything as a finish right now.
Yeah, they're going for a kill shot, man. They're trying to take out a knee. They're trying to take out an arm. And there's the Billy Robinson coming in.
Exactly. Right there.
Look where he is. Wrapped to him. That arm.
The Kimura locked in. Little suplex right there. Wolf all the way through into the Kimura. Again, Chris is not giving up. He has, like I said, there are 2 falls to a finish here. Kind of ignoring that 3 out the window. He's going all for it.
This is all out.
Chris! Chris!
That's it.
One point for Jesse. All right.
Jesse James has scored his first fall.
A little frustration from Chris Lyons there, I think. I mean,
You're battling into a corner.
The strike, we talked about borderline strikes on Jesse James earlier. That was definitely not a clean strike after the battle by Chris Lyons. That could have, discretion could have thrown this out.
Yes, and another thing to say here is Chris may feel a little cheated from that, if you will. Chris had those 2 questionable strikes at his throat earlier. Maybe his backing him into a corner, but Chris now open bow.
And you can see that IR is paying off because Jesse is swinging blind at this point.
Tables are turned now. Oh, right in the rear. Keep your lever knocked off. Knees there. Chris is trying to get them to call the round. Just a swing. Chris don't blow because he's Jesse can't compete anymore. Notice how Chris like he was going to go for the eye close. I think Jesse saw him run this really wild. He couldn't even defend himself against that on kick. Jesse had, I would say, these first 2 rounds.